We are pleased to show you the 2018 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, LED headlights, 4-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.